All right, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it is, wherever it is in the world that you are. Welcome once more to another live stream of Cooking with Chat with yours truly, Alexandra Mayers. And remember, if you would like to learn more about Cooking with Chat, what this little stream is all about, or maybe you just want to learn about me, all you got to do is visit cookingwithchat.com or alexandramayerslive.com. So initially, I was going to make some honey garlic soy chicken tonight, but guess what? I got super busy earlier today, and I did not have a chance to defrost the freaking chicken breast. So that's not going to happen. However, I do have some summer sausage that I was gifted for Christmas, and I've been eating some of it, and I was thinking, okay, what in the world am I going to do for Cooking with Chat tonight, which I am doing a bit in conjunction with another stream I like to do called IRLGirlTalk.com. So I thought, okay, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and make some summer sausage, and this is really good summer sausage. It's Swiss Colony. It's a Swiss Colony beef log. It's really good. So I'm gonna make some of this. I have some mushrooms, some baby bella mushrooms that I definitely have to cook before they go bad. And I figure what I'll do is for the summer sausage, I will create a honey garlic soy sauce to go with the summer sausage. And another day, we can do the honey garlic soy chicken. So that's what we're going to do. But really, I'm just in a particularly good mood today. Nothing too special. Just some of that meat and some sauteed mushrooms with a bit of cream. That's what I felt like having tonight. You know, if I were to serve this to somebody, I put a little parsley over it. Makes all the difference in the world. A little bit of green. Just a bit. People like contrast of green against the red and yellow tones of food. Cooking with Chat. It's a fun little stream, isn't it? Cooking with Chat. I'm glad I put this together. I'm glad I put it together. CookingWithChat.com. Check it out. Want to see me make a dish? Send me a damn donation. Yeah. Cooking with Chat. Hope you all enjoyed it. I guess I should eat some of my food now that I cooked it. Let's see. I already know what it tastes like. Delicious. Mushroom. Just great.